Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that's on everyone's mind: protein. Getting enough protein is crucial for building muscle, staying full, and keeping your body running like a well-oiled machine. But it doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. You don't need fancy powders or specialty products. In fact, your local grocery store is packed with high-protein powerhouses. So, get your shopping list ready, because we're about to count down 20 high-protein foods that are super common and easy to find right. Here in the USA, let's kick things off with a classic: eggs. A large egg packs about 6 grams of high-quality protein. They're incredibly versatile: scrambled, boiled, fried, you name it. Plus, they're budget-friendly, making them a perfect staple for any diet. Don't fear the yolk either. It's loaded with essential nutrients. Next up, at number 2, we have chicken breast. This is the gold standard for lean protein for a reason. A single 3.5-ounce serving can give you over 30 grams of protein. It's low in fat, easy to cook, and can be seasoned in a million different ways to keep things interesting. Higher in protein than regular yogurt because of the straining process that removes excess whey. A typical container can have anywhere from 15 to 20 grams of protein. It's fantastic for breakfast with some berries, as a base for a smoothie, or even as a healthy substitute for sour cream. Just be sure to check the label for added sugars. Number 4 is a superstar from the sea: salmon. Not only is it delicious, but a serving provides around 22 grams of protein. But that's not all. Salmon is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are amazing for your heart and brain health. Whether it's fresh, frozen, or canned, adding salmon to your weekly rotation is a brilliant move. Coming in at number 5, let's talk about cottage cheese. This one has made a huge comeback, and for good reason. A cup of low-fat cottage cheese can deliver a whopping 28 grams of protein. It's a slow-digesting protein, which means it keeps you feeling full for longer. Mix it with fruit, blend it into a creamy dip, or just eat it straight from the tub. It's a protein powerhouse. Number 6 on our list is tuna. Canned tuna, especially the kind packed in water, is an incredibly convenient and affordable source of protein. A single can give you over 20 grams of protein for very few calories. It's perfect for quick lunches like tuna salad sandwiches or mixed into a pasta dish. It's a pantry essential for anyone looking to boost their protein intake easily. At number 7, we have lean ground beef. While beef sometimes gets a bad rap, choosing a lean cut like 93/7 ground beef gives you a fantastic source of protein, iron, and vitamin B12. A round serving cooks down to about 23 grams of protein. It's perfect for making burgers, meatballs, or a hearty chili. It provides a different nutrient profile than poultry and is a great way to add variety. Number 8 is for our plant-based friends: lentils. These tiny legumes are nutritional giants. One cooked cup of lentils provides about 18 grams of protein and a massive 16 grams of fiber. That fiber-protein combo is a knockout punch for hunger. They're also super cheap and are amazing in soups, stews, and salads. Following lentils, at number 9, are almonds. A 1-ounce handful of almonds, which is about 23 nuts, gives you 6 grams of protein. They're the perfect on-the-go snack. They're also packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. You can eat them whole as almond butter on toast, or sprinkled over your yogurt for an extra crunch and protein boost. Number 10 brings us to another plant-based champion: chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas contains about 15 grams of protein. They have a wonderful nutty flavor and are the star ingredient in hummus. You can also roast them for a crunchy snack or toss them into salads and curries. They are versatile, delicious, and so good for you. We're halfway through. At number 11, we have quinoa. While many people think of it as a grain, it's actually a seed. And it's a special one because it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cooked cup offers about 8 grams of protein. It's a fantastic gluten-free substitute for rice or pasta and makes a great base for a grain bowl. Number 12 is a dairy delight, milk. Simple glass of milk provides about 8 grams of high-quality protein. It's also an excellent source of calcium for bone health. Whether you drink it plain, add it to your cereal, or blend it into a protein shake, milk is a simple and effective way to get more protein into your day. In many cuisines for a reason. One cooked cup packs around 15 grams of protein and 15 grams of fiber. This combination helps with digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied. They are perfect in tacos, burritos, soups, and even blended into brownies for a secret healthy ingredient. For number 15, let's talk about edamame. These are young soybeans, often served in their pods. A cup of shelled edamame has about 18 grams of plant-based protein. They are fun to eat and make a great appetizer or snack. You can find them in the frozen section of most grocery stores. Just steam or boil them and sprinkle with a little salt. At number 16, we have shrimp. These little crustaceans are almost pure protein. A 3-ounce serving gives you about 20 grams of protein with very little fat or carbs. They cook in just a few minutes, making them ideal for quick weeknight dinners. Saute them with garlic and herbs, add them to pasta, or grill them on skewers. Number 17 is another nut powerhouse, peanuts and peanut butter. At 2 tablespoons serving of peanut butter has around 8 grams of protein. Peanuts themselves are a great snack. They are also full of healthy fats. When choosing a peanut butter, look for natural varieties where the only ingredients are peanuts and maybe a little salt to avoid added sugars and oils. Coming in at 18 is tofu. Made from soybeans, tofu is an incredibly versatile plant-based protein source. The firmness determines the protein content, but a firm tofu can provide about 20 grams of protein per cup. It does a fantastic job of absorbing the flavors of whatever you cook it with, making it perfect for stir-fries, scrambles, and even grilled dishes. For number 19, we have pumpkin seeds. Don't throw these out after carving your Halloween pumpkin. Just 1 ounce of shelled pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, offers about 9 grams of protein. They are also a great source of magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. Sprinkle them on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt for a nutritious and crunchy topping. And finally, rounding out our list at number 20 is pork loin. When you choose a lean cut like pork tenderloin or a center-cut loin chop, you're getting a fantastic source of protein. A 4-ounce serving can easily contain over 25 grams of protein. It's juicy, flavorful, and can be roasted, grilled, or pan-seared for a delicious and satisfying meal. So there you have it. It's 20 high-protein foods that are delicious, nutritious, and easy to find at your local American grocery store. Building a high-protein diet doesn't have to be a chore. By incorporating these simple whole foods, you can easily meet your protein goals, support your health, and keep your meals exciting and tasty. Which of these are your favorites? Are there any amazing high-protein foods I missed? Let me know down in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'll see you in the next one.